Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hina Jawar. Welcome to Textbook Super Coaching English YouTube channel. Students, today we are going to discuss that we do have a RENET examination that is scheduled from 21 of August till 4th of September. We never know when we are going to have the education exam over here, right? So what strategy we should exactly use at this point of time? I know you all know everything right now. Everything is clear to each one of you, and you are very well versed with the entire theory. Okay, but now the point is, what should be the next step when you are sitting for a RENET? You are sitting for a RENET. You are not sitting for the net right now. So theory, you have full command on it. Am I right? You have full command on your theory. But the problem is, there is one thing we always forget, that is forgetting. Human mind has a tendency to forget whatever is not revised within next 7 days, which is a part of flying effect. Flying effect. So we are on James Bond. If you are not going to revise something for more than 7 days, you are automatically going to forget it. And the kind of attendance that I see on the YouTube session, which is very clear indicator that a lot of you are going to forget a lot of things in the month of July. And then you will try to make a comeback in August, and that point of time it will be very difficult to save your JRF. So the fact is, the point number one which I want to tell you is to make sure that you study hard for your conceptual clarity. I know you do have the conceptual clarity, but one thing which is missing is a thorough revision. I want all of you to revise one unit each day, every day. Now, for that, you can do one thing. When it comes to the revision part, you all have seen these are the leading units this time. The leading units this time are these units, and they will be forever, they are going to lead in the examination. Okay, but this time when it was 2024 18th June examination, the leading units were these. And then you had these three units. But the game changer was unit number 5, which actually had 9 questions from unit number 5. Now, we cannot say you this unit is important, that unit is important, but we can say you revise these units first, because these are difficult unit. Once you are thorough with these units, you can move to the easy ones. Again, you are going to definitely have one question from Jainism, Buddhism, one question from Western schools of philosophy, one from Indian philosophers. Then it could be 2 questions from Western, it could be 3 questions from Indians, anything. So you have to revise them. History, politics, economics of education. Right now, from pre-independence era, also we are having the question. Like we had the question of Macaulay's Woods Dispatch. So make sure you are thorough with pre and post-independence commissions. Then learning theories, personality theories, intelligence theories. I hope you can easily revise them in 2 days. Similarly, you require 2 days for unit number 1 because you already know everything. You take 2 days for history, politics, economics of education. For research, type, sampling, hypotheses, variable, you take another 2 days. And this time, please expect stats in your paper. I know on 18th of June you had no statistics in your paper, but this time you can have statistics in your paper. Then take another 2 days for unit number 9, revise all the leadership models, because this time you had one match the following from leadership unit and it has all the 4 models in it. So it's very important to revise each and every leadership model. And take another 2 days for inclusive education. So within next 12 days, you should be over with the revision of these units. And when it comes to unit number teacher education, take 1 to 2 days. Curriculum studies 1 to 2 days. Andragogy 1 to 2 days. Technology, all the new platforms, all the new ICT tools should be on your tips. I'll take a session on these. So another 1 to 2 days. So like within 7 days, you should be done with the revision of all 4 units. Is that fine, everyone? Because your target should be to score these marks. If you are scoring anywhere less than 200 and you are not able to score 200 or 205 rather, I would say, you will never score your JRF. So to save your JRF, your score should be above 205. This is something higher which I have written to motivate you. If you are aiming at net, do not think of coming anywhere below 200, because I doubt this time cutoff can go 192 plus. What I would request you to aim for 200 plus. And similarly, nowhere think of PhD with marks less than 195. I know I have kept a higher score for you because you people can do it. Because if you are scoring less than this, your chances will go low. And I don't want you people to take a risk for your future. If you want to save your future, you cannot risk it. So make sure you are doing a very hardcore revision through concept maps and flowcharts. I want to see the concept maps and flowcharts of every topic. Buy one register today, plain register, and I want you to start from any unit you want to start. For every topic, I want to see your concept maps and flowcharts, and feel free to drop them at the rate Dr. Hina on Telegram. Drop me, I'll check out. I'll see if you are making any mistakes on Telegram. And make sure you are attempting MCQs, mock test, marathons only with me. I don't want you to solve the questions when you are alone at home. I don't want you to waste any time on questions. I am there for you. Let us do the questions together. Because I want your theory should be 100% covered, because theory is going to save you, questions never save anyone. But if you have a complete full tank of diesel or petrol, then this extra mileage is going to help you reach early. So MCQs will work only if you know the theory. So you study the theory at home, solve the questions with me. Practice, draw concept maps at home, practice questions with me. And each day, every day, just say to yourself, I am not going to waste a single day and I am going to get my JR. Please don't waste a single day, otherwise you will never be able to see 29th June where India was winning the World Cup. If you want to win that World Cup, GRF Cup, you have to be positive. Your eyes should be on GRF each day, every day. So I want each of you to be regular for the classes, and if you want to join the paid course, it is right now available. Drop me a message on @Dr. Hina so that I can share the lowest prices with you, and also you can use coupon code HINAD for 25% extra discount. Thank you everyone for joining in. God bless you all and